Hi, Jen Broyles here, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your very own immune boosting blend, and I call it the Super Immune Blend. It's a blend that I make and I use every single day and have been using daily for the past year and a half, and I absolutely love it. And these oils in this blend offer powerful natural ways to support and strengthen your immune system, to promote detoxification and cleansing, and to really protect you against environmental threats, seasonal threats, any type of pathogens that you might come across. These oils are very, very protective. Okay. And some of these oils in this blend are also just really wonderful for calming and supporting a healthy nervous system. So this blend has a lot of beautiful emotionally supportive properties as well as physical supportive properties in the form of promoting a healthy immune system and a more regulated nervous system. Okay, so I'm not gonna spend time going through the benefits of each individual oil. I will post some information in the description if you want to check that out. And as many of you know, the oils that I use, the ones that I know, like, and trust, are doTERRA essential oils. And so if you are inspired to make your own blend of these oils and you're not yet using doTERRA oils, you'll find a very special link in the description below where you can get started with these specific oils to make your own super immune blend. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so there's 5 different oils in this blend, and one of these oils is a blend in and of itself. Okay, so let's go through the list. The first oil that we're going to start with is Melissa. This is a really powerful, amazing oil, great for the immune system, and it's really calming emotionally as well. The next oil is On Guard. So this is the one that I was saying was a blend in and of itself. This is already a blend of oils. The oils in this blend include clove, cinnamon, wild orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. And then we're going to use some grapefruit essential oil, some Siberian fir essential oil, and copaiba or copaiba essential oil. And here I have my handy 10 milliliter roller bottle because I use this blend topically. I often apply it along my spine. You can also apply it to the bottom of your feet or the back of your neck. All great places to get the benefits of this blend. So I've got my bottle and I reuse this. So I just ran out, so I'm gonna refill it. And you'll see I just put the names of all the oils in it on the side. So, so I'm gonna take this roller cap off and I'm gonna start filling up this bottle with oils. So the first oil I'm gonna start with is Melissa, okay? And we're gonna do 6 drops of Melissa oil. Okay, and if you don't get it exactly right, because sometimes these oils come out fast, it's totally okay. So I'm gonna do 6 drops. All right, there's Melissa. And then we are gonna do 8 drops of On Guard. Okay. Right, so there's On Guard. We are gonna do 10 drops of grapefruit. Right. And then we are gonna do 15 drops of copaiba and 15 drops of Siberian fir. right, perfect. There's Copaiba, and then Siberian fir. And the recipe for this blend was given to me by a wonderful friend and colleague, Annie Berner, and I have been loving it. So 15 drops of Siberian fir. All right, so we've got our essential oils in the bottle. And of course, you can make your own blend too. Like if there's an oil you want to add to this, like frankincense. Frankincense is wonderful for immune support as well. You can always add that. Or if there's one of those oils you don't have, you can still make the blend with the oils you do have. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill the rest up. So you'll see like the bottle's not even halfway full because essential oils are so potent and concentrated that a little bit goes a long way. And so we're gonna dilute this with some fractionated coconut oil. All right, so I'm just gonna pump the coconut oil into the bottle until it's full. All right, so now we've got it filled up. I'm gonna put the cap back on. Okay, wipe away any excess. And now it's ready to go. I can give it, a lot of times like when you first made your blend, you may wanna give it a little shake. You can see the essential oils kind of at the bottom. So I may just give it a little shake here. I'm gonna put the cap on and shake it up a little bit. But once you've shaken it once, you don't need to shake it again. It'll all mix together. All the oils will blend together. So now it's all blended and it is ready to use. So I can apply it to the back of my neck, along the spine, the bottoms of my feet, and really get that super immune support throughout the day when I'm out and about, and be really protected. So I hope you enjoy this. And if you have any questions or comments or shares, feel free to post those in the description. If you have your own immune supporting blend that is your go-to that you love, please share that as well. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you get updates on all future videos. All right, thanks everyone, bye.